Study in Scotland for free. Yes, it can happen if you follow these instructions and watch the video till the end. So this opportunity is going to be super beneficial if you are interested in studying in Scotland. These are Scottish scholarships with no deadlines, or in other words, you can say scholarships with no deadlines. So what else do you want, guys? This is a super beneficial, a supremely attractive opportunity for all international students. A prestigious university in Scotland is pleased to announce scholarships for all nationalities. That means if you reside in every corner of the world, you can apply for this opportunity. Higher degrees are available under this scholarship scheme. All academic fields, almost all academic fields are available to choose from. You can just go to the official website of the university and search your desired program and then can apply. The best part of the scholarship is that it holds no deadlines. These are automatic scholarships. You need to apply for admissions. If you are chosen for your particular program, you will be offered this scholarship. The scholarship is very attractive. There's no exact funding amount yet available. It will be mentioned to you once you are chosen and once you are offered an admission letter. So these are international student scholarships, as I mentioned earlier. So as how to apply for scholarships, you need to watch this video till the end. This is very for the application process, it is very simple. There's no complications involved in application process. You just need to go to the official website of the university and open the scholarship link, and then you will be able to apply for the opportunity. There is a complete detail mentioned in the description section of this video. Visit that website. That will let you know the complete process of the application, including the scholarship details. So very carefully watch the website so that you can be aware of how you can apply and get funded. So everyone wants to get funded, so do you as well. So why not to apply without wasting a time? You can apply anytime, even right now, this month, next month, or next year. The scholarships are open, so it is on you whenever you would like to apply. The admissions are on rolling basis, in other words. So scholarships have the same scenario. So this is going to be the very beautiful opportunity as far as I am aware of. So yeah, hope you must have liked this video. If you do, so we need your motivation. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who is interested in scholarships or funding abroad. So stay tuned until the next video, and subscribe channel and press the bell icon button for the next videos. Thanks. Bye bye.